Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Your iPhone 11 runs a recent iOS and has enough battery. Once done, disable low power mode and enable auto brightness because power saving alters display behavior. Next, go straight to Settings, tap Display and Brightness to access True Tone controls. You do this now so the system sensors can recalibrate correctly. While you're in Display and Brightness, note the True Tone toggle at the top. You'll use it immediately to compare and trigger automatic sensor adjustments. You toggle True Tone off, wait 5 to 10 seconds, and turn it back on to force recalibration. This resets how the ambient light sensor feeds the display. Then toggle Night Shift independently to isolate temperature changes, because overlapping features can mask True Tone effects. Make sure to close and reopen any photo or browser app you use for color checks so cached images don't mislead you. If True Tone still seems off, breathing space between toggles lets sensors settle and gives you a reliable visual comparison. You finish by trying a settings reset only if toggles failed. Go to Settings, General, Reset all settings. This preserves data but returns display calibration defaults. Then test True Tone across different lighting conditions, warm indoor bulbs, cool daylight, and shaded areas to confirm behavior. If the display still refuses to adapt, suspect a faulty ambient light sensor or logic board problem. Make sure to back up and contact Apple support or visit an Apple store for hardware diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.